I'm Roxana Roshan. I'm sitting outside on a beautiful summer day. Today we're going to learn another Mexica healing technique. A healing technique that uses the earth as part of our healing. When we feel heavy emotions, pain, distrust, fear, anger, resentment, the heavy emotions that pull us down and keep us stuck, we can use the earth for our healing. We're going to lay on the earth, face down first. We're going to raise our arms in whatever position feels comfortable, lay face down on the earth, and then we're going to roll 4 times and allow the earth to pull off what no longer serves us, what we no longer need, all of those heavy emotions. And then we're going to roll back 4 times, recreating who we want to be, recreating who we need to be. So rolling and releasing, rolling and rebuilding. And the importance of rolling 4 times is that the number 4 is so important in the Mexica tradition because of the 4 seasons, the 4 times of the day, the 4 phases of the moon. 4 is an incredibly important number. So as you're doing this with intent, with purpose, you're deliberately rolling the 4 times to release and then 4 times to rebuild and recover and rejuvenate. So, how do you feel now after you've rolled on the earth? Do you feel different? Do you feel better? Did you pay attention to how the earth smelled? How did the earth feel? How do you feel now? Do you feel lighter? Do you feel different? Did the grass prickle your skin? Did it bring up any new fears being this close to the earth? How did your body feel? I got moist because of the morning dew, and I love the smell of the earth, the humic smell, the growing smell, the living smell, and noticing the difference between the grass and the clover and the plantain and all the other species. So allowing you to be reborn, you to feel new, you to feel different than you did at the start of this video. Pause and take some notes. Pause and feel into your body. How does this feel different than when you started? Thank you for joining me on this exploration of becoming your best self. Omate out.